Good evening. I got to this kit putting it together and realized that this chip doesn't have a socket. I always want to put the chips in sockets. First off, I don't want to solder them in place because the heat could damage them. That's actually unlikely, but it's possible. And if I ever have to replace that for whatever reason, I can. I don't have to desolder it. But it didn't come with a socket, and I don't have one, so I'm going to make one. What you do is get this SIP, single inline pins. And I got a couple hundred of these rows several years ago. I'll probably have them the rest of my life, but got a good deal, of course. So you figure out how many you need, and then you take a pair of pliers and you gently bend at the notches, and they'll just snap right off. There we go. So I got the right amount of pins. There we go. So I'll do that again, and I'll use the pins I just broke off as a guide. And I'm using nibbers to do this, but I'm not cutting them. I'm bending and letting the score mark break. There we go. If you try to cut them, you'll cut it too close and run one of the pins. So what we'll do is put this in place. Try to get them parallel. Now, even practicing, I want to keep pin 1 here with pin 1 here. I'll put that in place. Now, I said I want to use this to avoid soldering the chip, but I'm going to use the chip to align it and just do the 4 corners. And I'll lay that down, and that's the best way to press that board into the chip itself. And I just want to be real quick. And I could have gotten a surrogate chip. Now I'll take the chip out, and a screwdriver works best for that. The nastiest looking screwdriver I've got. I'll just pop that out. I can go ahead and solder the rest of those without fear of messing them up. So that's how you make a socket when you don't have one. And I keep these SIPs around all the time because I make crystal sockets, transistor sockets. Very, very universal way to make sockets. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.